Hey everyone, no recipe today. Today I'm answering a question that I get a lot about technique, and that's how to make a parchment paper circle for the bottom of a cake tin. And so, like a lot of things, I get the question and I go out and I take a look on the interwebs and see how other people are explaining how to do this. And one of the things that I found very quickly was that people make it out to be a lot harder than it really is. They make it out to be something that's going to take a lot of skill and is very time consuming. But I'm here to tell you that's just not the case. It is something that is so incredibly simple to do. I'm able to do it in probably, I don't know, I'll put a timer up when I do the edit, very quickly while I'm talking to you about how easy it is to do. So there you have a paper circle, and it fits in the bottom of this pan nicely. Now, here's where everybody goes wrong. Everyone thinks that this parchment disc has to fit perfectly. It doesn't. It can be a little bit small. In fact, as long as it covers probably 60 or 70% of the bottom of the pan, it's going to do the job that you need it to do. And it's just a couple of folds. You watched me. We folded it in half in one direction, and then in half in the other direction, and came up with something that's roughly a square. And then with that square, we folded it over to make a cone, and then we folded it over to make another cone. Really simple. Turn over your pan, put your finger in roughly the middle, measure out, and give it a cut. Doesn't have to be exact, just has to sort of fit in the bottom, and these do. And I don't know how getting out a pencil and tracing something, how is that easier? I just don't understand that. Super simple, very quick, fail-safe method of making a parchment disc for the bottom. Now you just put some butter or lard or whatever sort of baking fat you're using, stick the parchment disc in, and your cake will not stick to the bottom of your pan.